Alright, today I'm going to show you how to exfoliate with ramen noodles. Alright, first thing you're going to need is ramen noodles. I have a beef flavor right here. And what I'm going to do is, I am in the bathroom, right? And so I'm going to put the stopper into the sink, as you can see, and fill it with lukewarm water. And while it's filling with lukewarm water, you're going to actually open up the packet, pull out the seasoning, and put it inside of the water. Okay? And go ahead and fill this up to the brim and stir in the flavoring seasoning so it completely dissolves. Some of the flakes will not be dissolved, but it's alright. You can actually use some of this as some of the salt scrub for your hands. Alright? So once you bring it up to an appropriate level, you're going to leave your hands into the water and let them soak for a good 3 minutes. Alright, after 3 minutes, you're going to take your hands out and you're going to get the packet of ramen noodles. And then you're going to just scrub your hands very lightly to exfoliate the dead skin cells. You try to get in between the fingers and on the palms, and do the other hand as well too. All right, and when you're done with that, just take your hands, rinse them off inside of the water, and then dry them, and you're good to go. Let me know if you have any questions.